Second use case we're going to go through for retail marketers relates to personalized ads, and we want to target based on either repeat purchases or a certain type of product or a specific product. Now, I've already run the prompt for this specific use case. We just toggled on cross-sell new product, and then pretty straightforward again, repeat customers who are more likely to purchase apparel. And then on the right, we got 4 audiences this time, so I can kind of read through these and see which one might fit the campaign that I'm trying to run. Highly engaged repeat customers, repeat purchasers with recent activity, apparel propensity with recent purchases, and then frequent shoppers with verified accounts. I think this third one is most in line with what I want to do. I'm going to hit create. This will just load, open in a new tab. And then again, quick time to value here, being able to pull out fields, give my audience a title, and then immediately see a count of how many people fit this criteria. So in this case, we pulled out product propensity is equal to apparel. Maybe I'm doing some data science or machine learning within my warehouse. These are bucketed product categories that I can quickly filter and toggle by. Maybe I want to add like home, maybe food and beverage as well to this. And then I've also pulled out last purchase date occurred within the last 30 days. So you'll see my customer count increased from 3,000 to 10,000. I could potentially add additional filters here. Maybe I also want to include social media followers. Great, this is a little more focused audience. I can run a targeted campaign. For paid media, ROAS, return on ad spend, is big. So we want to focus on not over messaging and spending too much on potential impressions downstream, and really focus on people that we think those ads are going to be relevant for. I can hit export, and we're presented with that same modal as last time for all of our destinations that we've integrated. We're going to export to Facebook or Meta. In this case, we'll have export settings for the export title. We can set up an ongoing campaign if we want. So if we wanted to update this list downstream, say weekly, this can be always on and ongoing. Maybe I want to schedule this out to start in the future, maybe next Wednesday. At a certain time, I can set my time zone, and then I can schedule this to end if I want, but I'm just going to leave it to never.